Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Rhoda. You're very welcome. I bring a cleaning motivation video for you today. But first of all, before we continue with that, I'd like us to go through the Bible verse for today. Okay, Second Chronicles 16, verse 9a. For the eyes of the Lord run to and fro the whole earth, looking to show Himself strong on the behalf of those whose hearts are fully committed to Him. Well, isn't that wonderful? God is looking to see how he can show himself strong on our behalf. But the question is, are our hearts fully and totally committed to him? Okay, that's a food for thought. Now let's get into the video straight away. So today I'm bringing you a kitchen cleaning video, like deep cleaning. Now this video is not a new video, I filmed this before I did my thyroid surgery, which is like nearly 4 to 5 months ago. Yeah, that was before March, so nearly 6 months ago. And somehow I never got to, editing and uploading it, but it was just there. I had a lot of things on my hand at the time, so I just kind of archived the video. But um, currently there are a lot of things like begging my attention, and I still want to be active and keep uploading videos. Okay, so I have like some videos that are in storage, and this video is ever so relevant today. So I thought, why not? Since I had already filmed this and I have it in my archive of videos, um, why not just bring it out and edit it and post it and upload it for those who care, you know, to watch. Yeah. So yeah, deep cleaning of my kitchen is something that I usually do like once or twice a year. I'm not going to just be, um, how do I put it, like fancy. I'm not gonna claim what I don't do. I clean every day, but sometimes, this deep cleaning, reaching into those hidden places, the places where you keep the things that you don't even use like in months. I'm talking about stuff like pushing out your washing machine if your washing machine is in your kitchen. Like literally everybody in Hong Kong has his or her washing machine in their kitchen. Okay, so yeah, just cleaning underneath. So that's what this video is all about. Okay, and I hope that you'd be interested in doing this if it's not something that you've been doing before, after watching this video, because you'd never imagine the amount of dirt and yuck that is in all those hidden places, and even some seen places. Just anyway, go ahead and watch it. All right, so the first thing I did, before I started cleaning out, because it's going to be a deep clean, I cleared out the whole kitchen, like literally almost every single thing in the kitchen. Now you want to do this because you want to have space to move around and to reach places. You want to see every corner. Okay, you want to see every nook, you want to see all of them. So, and yeah, can you see there's some water, spillage and all that stuff. I'm just going to leave you for now to just watch while I clear out everything, and after clearing out, I'm going to start the cleaning. Look at that, you know the hood, the cooking hood, like it's so greasy. And guys, that thing is a fire hazard. Okay, it's a fire hazard. So if you have lots of grease storing up there, if God forbid fire were to break out, it's one of the places that is going to really catch fire really quick. Okay, so did you see the dirt that I brought out from behind my washing machine? Yeah, it was that yuck. After cleaning the space behind and underneath my washing machine, I went ahead to the kitchen fan. Now, this is another place that harbors a lot of dirt and grease as well, because This thing helps to suck out moisture from the kitchen while you're cooking. So, lots of molds and things like, cobweb, like in nature, just get stuck there. Why it does that work? That's moisture. It's caused by moisture. So I tried to clean that, but the fan wasn't coming out, so I just left it and focused on the window first. Now we live on the ground floor, so it's quite easy for me to spill, to just splash water on the window and just clean it without worrying about spilling water on someone. So if you do live like, in high-rise buildings and you live above other people, please don't splash water on your window like this, because you're probably going to be getting onto somebody's windowsill or balcony or whatever. Maybe someone hung their clothes like outside, you're probably going to spill water there. So just take notes. All right. So now for my cooking hood, I took it to my toilet. I did not have enough space in my. Of course, you saw the kitchen is so small. I didn't have enough space in my kitchen to wash it. So I took it to my bathroom, and here I am using like super hot water to wash it because I need all the grease to go out. It's not gonna go out if you use ordinary cold water. And after splashing the hot water on it, I poured some what's that? Sodium bicarbonate. Yes. Now this thing works really wonderfully, well. So when you put it on something and just put some hot water, it acts on it and breaks down the dirt and the grease. And when you're finished, just a little brushing and everything will go. I also watched that my plate rack, as you can see, we have like an over the sink plate rack where we store our plates. Because I mean, if you have a small kitchen like mine, you need stuff like that to be able to, maybe store your plates after washing them, so you can have a lot more counter space and cabinet space to store other things. Especially if you like cooking, if you are always cooking like me, I'm always cooking in this house. I have 7 people to feed. Can you imagine that? Anyway, that's that. So now I am spraying this multi um, surface cleanser on the, would I call it base or something? Just on the hood. As you can see, it's already like melting away all those grease, that's left on that base. And so my husband is just here handing me things and helping me and just keeping me company. Yeah, he really doesn't really bother about this stuff, these kind of things, asking me to take it easy. But if I decide to do it, there is nothing stopping me from doing it. I'm definitely going to do it. So yeah, you have to get to some point where you just tell yourself, girl, this kitchen needs help. Okay, let's do some deep cleaning. All right. So please consider doing this once a year or twice a year if you can, but once a year is okay, I think. Ordinary um regular cleaning should be fine. All right. So I finished up with the hood, okay? And I didn't show it here. I had to edit. This was a lot of work, honestly, guys. I started in the morning, like in the morning. And by the time I finished, it was late at night. In fact, I couldn't cook. We ordered food. I think we ordered pizza or something for dinner. Like I was so busy. Yeah, so that's for you to know the amount of work that went into it. There was a lot of footage, but I just had to edit so many so that this video will not be excessively long. So some of my storage things that I had, the storage baskets and some containers, I washed them as well. So and I just kept them on the dining table outside in the living room to dry off while I, cleaned the kitchen. So for my stovetop, my cooker, I used this brush and some cleaning paste to just scrub it, give it a very good scrub, and just take away all those grease and some even rusty marks on them. And after scrubbing it, I used my cleaning towel to just wipe it um out, and you can see it's already looking very nice. And I just want to point out that at every point in time I was actually just rewashing my cleaning towel with soap and rinsing it, and continuing my cleaning again. Yeah. Now friends, we had to get in under that sink. I'm telling you, we had to. Now, remember that this is a deep clean, so don't judge me. You probably think I'm doing too much, but it's not really too much. I am a strong believer in the truth that anything that is worth doing is worth doing well. So if I decided that I was going to do a deep clean of this kitchen, we might as well just reach every single corner, every cranny, every nook in these cabinets. So I wiped on everywhere, and I also wiped even the pipe, because you can like clean the body of the cabinets, the inside, the walls, and then you leave the pipes dusty. No, you can't. So I cleaned everything, and then I went into the drawers. And by the time I was doing the drawers, this towel wasn't looking good anymore. Like, I was washing it continuously with soap and everything, but there were some stains that no amount of soap would take out. So I had to just throw it out and change towels, to just to wipe the drawers. So why I keep talking about, cleaning the towels as you keep using them is because it is important that you don't spread germs, okay? Uh, Unconsciously thinking that you are cleaning. Yeah, you may clean the surface, it will look fine, but actually you are just spreading microbes around the kitchen. So when you clean a particular surface for some time, it's good to wash it with soap. That's what I was doing. Wash it with soap, rinse it out thoroughly, and get back to cleaning. Okay? If the towel becomes, yeah, somehow you have to change it out. I think I used 3 towels to clean this kitchen in total. Apart from the brushes and the mops and every other thing that I used, I used 3 towels to do my cleaning. Now we are onto the microwave. Yeah, this thing was just giving me trouble. I mean, we've actually just taken it out. I mean, that kind of stainless something that I think it was put there for decoration or something, but it wasn't just serving any purpose, um, uh, you know, useful to me. So we eventually had to take it out. And what I did was that after cleaning this microwave, we had this there's something that we have, not we had, sorry, we still have it. We have a shelf like this, kind of upright standing shelf with some layers, which we thought would be better for us to put the microwave in that shelf and move our oven, which was bigger, a little bigger than the microwave, to this space. And so that was what we did, and it worked perfectly fine for me. So my oven was now right under my cooker, and it was easy to just transfer something from the workspace to the oven. So after doing all the cleaning, I mopped the floor, and as you can see, our kitchen is looking nice. Can you see that it's already starting getting dark outside? That's what I was saying earlier, that I started in the morning and I ended at night. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Look at this basket and all those things. my pots. I have a lot of pots, but I'm just, pressed for space. Yeah, space is my problem here, right here in this house, honestly. But it's well, God is good. Okay. So now, in the few days that followed, I had gone to, I, no, I did some online shopping on HKTV Mall, but I also went to Aeon Home and I bought some, storage products, bottles. And while I was packing them to wash, look at them here. I think one of the glass containers broke, and my husband helped me clean it up. Yeah, so after washing those things, the next day, the following day, I had also ordered some grocery from Welcome, and of course, we had to put in our food items in the storage containers. These containers are really very good because they help your kitchen look, tidy and organized. You can, see all the things you have at a glance. Okay, it's very easy. Try to invest in them, and there are some inexpensive ones. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's my drawer where I keep all the cooking papers and stuff like that. So I mean, I don't need to walk you through all the process. I guess you can just follow by watching. Oh God, I'm talking too much, aren't I? I'm so sorry about that.
The truth around you, from a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so I'm back again with more talk. Sorry, guys. So, yeah, I just felt like I needed to explain the labeling thing. Yeah, I saw this from some of the wonderful Korean ladies that I follow on YouTube. And I checked for it on AliExpress and I bought the label printer. It's so simple and easy to use. Okay, you just connect it through Bluetooth to your phone and you can type the names you want to be on your labels and print them out. Okay, this is something that I use for storing my towel. It's also a space saver. Yeah, somebody's at my door crying. This is what happens. I mean, basically all my videos you are going to hear like a voice of someone, a little kid crying or trying to report their sister or their brother. I'm just tired. All right, guys. So this is how everything went down, and yeah, let me know how you like to clean your kitchen. Okay. I mean, if you are still finding it hard to do this deep clean that you've been wanting to do, and you've been postponing it, well, this is time for you to get up and do it. Okay. I hope you've been encouraged, and I'm really happy that I got to post this video and keep in contact with you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, introduce yourself to me in the comment section, okay? And I'm going to see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.
Around you, from a distance you can tell.